To sort of expand your brain a bit on what loops can do, we've been applying this process to manage the open source repository for the Warp terminal. You can see it runs across thousands of issues. We've also added more automations for each step of the contribution flow. For example, when a user files an issue, we have a triage agent decide if it is well documented and do a bit of initial research so that a maintainer or another coding agent can understand what it would take to implement that request or bug report. On this issue, a triage agent was able to come through and define it as well scoped. We were able to have one of our maintainers come through and agree on the implementation, applied this label, and then another contributor stepped in and said, hey, thank you for all that information. I'm going to sick an agent on this and open a pull request. You get the idea. Really, we're just trying to remove bottlenecks on your own team so that you can get features over the line more and more often. You also see another agent that we stitched onto the PR review process. So instead of a maintainer looking at a community contribution and deciding whether it's good enough to even merit a code review, we can have an agent do all that work for us and look for any critical or important bugs before we take a look. If that excites you, we open source the stack for this. It is a bit more involved to set up because you will want cloud runners so that it doesn't have to run on a work tree on your machine. But once you get it set up, we have templates for that issue triage that I showed you, PR review, and anything else you want to add.